Today we are discussing interview questions of ServiceNow developer. You can download the complete list of interview-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on ServiceNow developer is: explain the purpose and benefits of ServiceNow client scripts. How can client scripts be utilized for enhancing the user interface and user experience in ServiceNow forms? Your answer should be: ServiceNow client scripts are scripts that run on the client side, which is in the user's browser, to enhance the user interface and experience in ServiceNow forms. They can be utilized to perform actions such as field validation, dynamic field visibility, and populating fields based on user input. Client scripts can help create a more responsive and user-friendly interface by executing logic directly within the browser, reducing the need for server round trips. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow developer is: describe the concept of ServiceNow transformation maps. How do transformation maps facilitate the transformation of data during import sets and integrations? Your answer should be: ServiceNow transformation maps are configurations that define how data is transformed during the import process, especially when using import sets or integrations. They provide a mapping between source fields and target fields, allowing developers to define transformations, data manipulations, and field mappings. Transformation maps facilitate the transformation of data by ensuring that data from external sources aligns with the structure and format expected by ServiceNow. They can be used to perform data cleansing, normalization, and other transformations to ensure accurate and consistent data integration. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow developer is: explain the purpose and use cases of ServiceNow UI policies. How can UI policies be leveraged for dynamic and conditional field visibility in forms? If you are preparing for any ServiceNow-based certifications, you can download the current valid and updated questions from the description. Now moving towards the answer. Your answer should be: ServiceNow UI policies are used to define conditions and actions that dynamically control the visibility and behavior of form fields. They enable developers to create rules that conditionally show or hide fields, set field values, or make fields mandatory based on certain criteria. Use cases for UI policies include streamlining form interactions by showing only relevant fields, guiding user through data entry with dynamic field displays, and enforcing data consistency. UI policies contribute to an improved user experience by tailoring form interactions to the specific needs of users and scenarios. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow developer is: explain the role and benefits of ServiceNow business rules in conjunction with client scripts. How do they complement each other in automating and enhancing the user interface? Your answer should be ServiceNow business rules and client scripts work together to automate and enhance the user interface. While client scripts run on the client side, that is browser, to provide immediate feedback and interaction, business rules operate on the server side to enforce business logic and automate processes. Business rules complement client scripts by handling server-side operations such as data validation, record creation, or field updates. They ensure consistency and integrity in data processing, while client scripts enhance the user interface by providing real-time feedback and dynamic interactions. If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. You can also download the complete list of scenario based questions from the link provided in the description. Do you have any better solution in your mind? Please write that in the comment section. We can discuss it further. If you want to go for any ServiceNow certifications, you can find the current valid and updated questions tutorials in the description. All the best.